Uzama ukusiphazamisa angeke bakhone.
Igama uLindelwa Bancwane, namhlanje sika BB eMlazi kumembeso wami ngembeso umxolisi kaDlamini. I'm happy to be. Ngiyabonga kakhulu kakhulu for the love and support ongikhombise yona. Nokungibekezelela, nokungithanda. I appreciate your understanding and your warmth. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Bancwane sijabule kakhulu namhlanje kuhle kokwamanda kocebekhulu konomvuma osedla mdaka oshoba lendlovu ave kumnandi benomkhwenyana ngiyabafisela umxolisi Dlamini oMagaduzela osibalikhulu ukuthi nje lolu suku lube impumelelo bonke abasifisela kona kuhambe kahle kube mnandi enjoy usuku lonke konke kuhambe kahle nje siyabonga kakhulu koMagaduzela.
Lindelwa, you're really special to me and I really appreciate you. You fulfill me, you make me the happiest man alive, and you taught me a lot of things in life, but most importantly you taught me to be me. So that's the best gift you can ever give me, to me as your life partner.
Engabaza uthando lwasemazulwini